Hi guys, this is Juan with the Coalform and Steel Buildings. So a lot of people are trying to compare price per square foot. Is steel better than wood? And I'll let you guys make your decision after this video, okay? So you can't compare apples to apples. You gotta make sure that the products you're comparing are the exact same product that you're using. So this is a wood product. This obviously is a steel product. What are the benefits of steel when you build your home? Because if you want something with longevity, cost effectiveness, speed, this is your product. You want something fast, quick, and cheap, but may have long-term consequences, this is your product, okay? So let's talk about the benefits of Coalform versus wood, okay? So number one, Coalform, it is a stronger product. Doesn't warp, doesn't bow, it won't shrink, doesn't split like wood can, okay? Basically, keeping your home plumb and straight and in the same order for 30, 40 years. If you're gonna be making payments on a house, an investment piece of property, you would want your value of your property to go up, not go down, okay? So if you want a long-term investment property and also want higher resale value on the real estate market, this is a product that will hold its value over time, because unfortunately, like anything else, things deteriorate over time. And especially when it comes to the bones and the structure build, you can go with a quality product, either ICF concrete or this. But ICF concrete is a great product, very, very expensive. This is the most cost-effective product on the market, which is Coalform Light Gauge steel. Okay, termites. Well, you don't have carpenter ants, won't eat this, use this as food. You won't have termites, use this as food. This is not their food source. This is a termite's food source, your home. And unfortunately, I just went to go do a project, help out a friend with her home, and I could not believe the appraisal value of that home. Very nice neighborhood. All the houses in there are appraised at $1 million. Termite damage literally all over the house. I could not believe and that house is only 8 years old, and pretty much destroyed the house. They had to come in and it's just unbelievable. You would have never had that issue with steel, ever. So be mindful that what little money spent on the front side will cost you thousands, hundreds of thousands down the road if termites get a hold of your house, okay? Let's talk about fire resistant. You light a match to this, it will not burn. It's not combustible. It just won't burn, okay? Let's light a match to this. This is firewood, okay? So just know, this doesn't burn. It burns very fast, and older and drier it gets, it burns really quick, okay? And the thing is, you're almost neck and neck with pricing for the same product, but the quality you get with this product versus what you get on the other product are drastically different, okay? Better for long spans, okay? So this can span very, very long because it is steel. It's bolted together, screwed together. So with our engineering and detailing, we can span this as far as you want according to our engineering specs. So we do all the design, all the engineering, all the design plans, the architecturals, the elevations, the pitches, porches, design your windows, your detailing, which I have your window and door scheduling, means all your external walls, your exterior windows, your exterior doors, okay? Your elevations, your pitch of your roof, your trusses, your interior wall, your layout, would do your internal layout. So everything is very, very detailed. So we do your design and your detailing, okay? Because if you go to a licensed architect and you don't know any better, you could spend $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 in architectural designs when our design company could do it for $3,000. Now that is a service. When you do design plans, they're not free. Because our designers work very hard to make sure our clients are happy. So you know, when you design plans, those are typically a part of the building process before you get into the estimation of how much steel will you need. How many weeks is it going to take to put this together? Now, the great thing about this is you can take a whole entire steel structure and put it up in 2 to 3 days. trusses, everything done. We pre-panelize everything, so we bring everything from out of state, bring it into the US, right here in Greenwood, South Carolina, pre-panelize it according to your architectural plans, okay? So that's a great thing. Consistent material quality. All right, let's go over that. All right, wood, you know, from board to board, every piece of wood is different because it is a God-made product. It is not a consistent product, a great product. Great product for finishing out maybe a red iron building. But for structural integrity, I don't like using this product. For structural integrity, I love using this product, okay? So when it comes to consistency and something that is not gonna rot, not gonna rust, no mold issues, if you get flooding in your house, it's not gonna affect it, okay? It's a lot lighter, so we use different steel for different projects. Residential homes, this is your go-to right here, okay? A lot of moving pieces, but if you're trying to do more like an aesthetically, a custom home where it looks like a home, like for your say 6-12 pitch, 7-12 pitches, they're aggressive, this is the product you're gonna use, cold form steel all day. If you're doing like more of a big open bay setup and you just like a lot of space for an event center, then we'll use red iron, okay? So typically we do both. We do commercial, we do residential. You do apartment complex, builders, this is the newest product on the market. It's faster, installers move quick. So you know speed is key. You're looking at about 12-week lead time. We're bringing it in to the ports. We can pre-panelize it on the job site, or we can pre-panelize it in a manufacturing plant, flat pack it back out to the job site. My guys will put it up in no time, okay? So we make sure we control the design, engineering, and typically the steel erection to make sure everything flows well, then you guys take over from there. All right, maintenance, very little maintenance with steel. A lot of maintenance with wood, a lot of complications over time. Insurance companies hate this product because there's always a lot of issues with this over time. Insurance companies love this product. That's why they give you insurance breaks by going to cold form steel, because it's not gonna burn up, no rot, no moisture, no termites. They're trying to save money too. So at the end of the day, you're gonna save a lot of money in builder's risk insurance right here with this product and with homeowners. So my name is Juan. We're with the Colt Steel Development Group. You can check us on the web at coltfirm.com. Number is 864-992-6158. And remember, you're not comparing apples to apples. You gotta compare apples to apples. If that makes any sense. Guys, have a blessed day.